Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to install PCS7 software in a system. So we will be configuring this software as single station, I mean single ES. So we will be installing both programming component and OS component in single system. So let's get dive in. Here we are in our workstation. So this is the extracted file of PCS7. So you can see all the core components of PCS7. We'll navigate to setup and double click on it. Proceed next. I'm continuing with Chinese language. Next. A regular license agreement. Next. And this is complete install. So here we need to select what are the components we need to install in PCS7 ES station. So we need to select the corresponding components to be installed in this. So first of all, we need PCS7 engineering, and for some EA devices connection, if we want, we can configure schematic PDM basic and PDM server. If you want to cause and effect diagram, logical matrix. All these components we have clarified in the video of schematic PCS7 system components. So engineering server we have configured, and single OS we required, and batch and root control we are not using it, and pretty much same OS server and OS single station is pretty much same. We will remove this. We are not required OS client. We are not installing process historian and all. OpenPCS7 is for integrating in third-party devices. Logic matrix viewer. If you have logic matrix engineering, you will be installing logic matrix viewer. The components also we are not using. PCS7 maintenance station and asset management. If you are configuring for asset management, we need to install maintenance station. It is not required in our case. And the schematic logon for having multi-user and single-user interface for a ES system. So this is required. System hardening we not required. Version trail is required. Click on next. So here it will show the summary of what are the components we are installing. Here one more thing, we need to separately install the PCS SIM actually. So these are all components coming under ES, under PDM and under OS. Batch we haven't configured. Yeah, this is fine. We need to select one more component here. Here. This PLC 7 SIM is required. Click on next. And a base note, this OS server will install MS SQL 2014 or some version in this. Click on next. Confirmation. Next. So, what are the occupied memories of these corresponding components? So make sure if they have at least 30 to 40 GB of C drive to install the software. And the approximation time it will take around 5 hours to install this schematic PCS7 base build. Click on next. So it will start installing each individual component, where you can see all the listed components will be installed one by one. So this is a time consuming process. It will almost take 5 to 6 hours. So make sure before installing you have updated Windows, and you have all updated patches, and make sure if you are using a laptop, it is fully charged. And one more thing is like we need to maintain at least 30 to 40 GB of open space in drive which we are installing this software. That's all it's guys, how to install Siemens PCS7. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on industrial automation. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.